Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. Today I'm going to show you how to remove and reinstall the headlight washer in this 2007 Mini Cooper S. If there's any parts you need for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. Alright, underneath here there's two little clips that hold this cover down. Normally this would just flip up. Ours is not attached. I'm going to disconnect the negative battery cable. I use a 10mm socket and a ratchet. We disconnected the battery because it's a good idea to disconnect it whenever you're removing the xenon headlights. Just wiggle that, set that aside. We're going to use a 10mm socket, an extension, and a ratchet, and there's 4 bolts that need to come out. There's one right here, one down here, and there's one right there. Keep in mind the location of these bolts. Some of them are different sizes. This one's the shorter one. As you can see, that one's longer. That one's longer also. And this one's also longer. All right, now we're gonna grab the headlight assembly and just wiggle it up a little bit. There is a connector right here. You're gonna use 2 fingers. There's a lock on this side and then a lock on the bottom. Wiggle it out. So you push down on those 2 locks. And then pull this out a little bit. There's a washer fluid hose right here for the headlight washers. Push down on the lock and pull it out. Some washer fluid might come out. And there's this assembly. To remove the headlight washer, I need to remove these 2 Torx screws. I'm going to use a T20 socket, extension, and a ratchet. I'll take these 2 screws out. I'm going to slide this out. And there's your headlight washer. To reinstall this washer. Now we're gonna reinstall this headlight washer. There's a little tab right here that goes in this little hole there. And you wanna make sure that the front of this goes on the headlight assembly. We'll line this all up. This part's going to go in a groove over here. There we go. It's a little tricky to line that all up. And then take these screws. Then I'll just snug them down. Not too tight, it is in plastic. I'm going to slide this over here. Install the headlight washer tube. Line that up, lock it in place. We'll take the electrical connector right here, line that up, lock it in. Now we'll take our bolts for the headlight. This short one goes over here. Take the other 3, install those. We'll just get those started. And I'll tighten these down. You can kind of see the position of where the headlight was before. For that one at least. Take my 10mm socket, extension, and ratchet. You just snug them up. All right, we're gonna reattach the negative battery cable. Slide that over there. Take my 10mm socket and ratchet. Just snug that up. Make sure the negative terminal is on there tight. It's good. We'll take this cover, put this cover back down. Lock it in place. After you're done installing the headlight, if you want to check the alignment, you can use a 6mm Allen. You're going to want to be about 25 feet away from a wall and make sure you get it lined up with about 2 inches below the height of the headlight assembly. You can move it to the left, brings it down, to the right, brings it up.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.